Hi, I'm Lisa from Farming Connect and we're here today at Rhiwgriafol to see how Rhiwgriafol is managing his heifers on a techno-grazing system.
Hi, I'm Rhiwgriafol. We've installed the techno-grazing system here at Rhiwgriafol since May now, and it's going very well. Day-to-day management is just moving the fence. They get moved between a day and a half and 2 days in general. So just moving the heifers on and putting a new brake fence up in front of them, and also moving the water, which are all quite small tasks really. It's meant that I've managed to keep grass in front of the heifers through the drought period this summer. As the heifers have grown, they probably need a bit more area now, so we'll be adding another field in for them to graze.
I'm James Daniel, Director of Precision Grazing, and we've been working on this Farming Connect project with Rhiwgriafol to increase the productivity or to improve the management of the heifers. He's contract rearing. The heifers are on farm and he's getting a fixed amount per head per day. The attraction for Rhiwgriafol, the opportunity for Rhiwgriafol, was to intensify his grazing. The reason we wanted to do this was to give the sheep more option on the rest of the farm, so by reducing the area the heifers took up, by improving how we grazed this particular block, we provided more scope to the ewe enterprise and the possibility, the option then to increase their numbers. So here with the heifers we've got 2 fields. They total about 12 hectares or just under 30 acres. We split each of those fields into half through the middle and then marked the perimeter of the fields so that Rhiwgriafol, using a temporary polywire fence, can split them into paddocks, and those fields split up make 16 equal sized paddocks. The heifers graze through those on a rotation, so from 1 to 16 and round again, and being in that rotation has meant it's quite easy, or it becomes a lot easier to see if there's a surplus of feed or a deficit in the system. Rhiwgriafol's also been measuring regularly, and we've been looking at growth rate and matching that to the heifers' demand. The group of heifers we have is fixed, although they are growing, so their demand is increasing each month. So to match supply and demand, what we've done initially is we've looked at altering the on time. When the grass is growing quicker, we spend sort of 2 days, maybe a day and a half in each paddock, and that gives us a 24 to a 30-day rotation. As grass growth slowed down, we've been able to build covers, and that's particularly useful in this spring. And into the summer, as it became very dry, we carried some of that spring surplus through into July, had quite high covers, and we grazed those on a 48-day rotation, which meant we were able to keep the heifers on the block for longer and reduce the need for any supplementary feed and just about get through that dry period okay.
I'm Rhiwgriafol. We've installed the techno-grazing system here at Rhiwgriafol since May now, and it's going very well. Day-to-day management is just moving the fence. They get moved between a day and a half and 2 days in general. So just moving the heifers on and putting a new brake fence up in front of them, and also moving the water, which are all quite small tasks really. It's meant that I've managed to keep grass in front of the heifers through the drought period this summer. As the heifers have grown, they probably need a bit more area now, so we'll be adding another field in for them to graze.